In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add avatar in InVideo. We'll walk through using the AI Twins feature so you can create a personal avatar that looks and sounds like you. Start by logging into InVideo as you normally would. Once you're in your workspace, look for the prompt box on the screen. Right beside it, you'll see the AI Twins option. Click that to open the avatar creation flow. Before you upload anything, decide whether you want a free avatar or a pro avatar. Free is great for getting started and testing the workflow, while Pro offers enhanced quality and flexibility for more polished results. Choose the one that matches your needs and budget, and then move on to preparing your sample video. You'll need to upload at least 60 seconds of footage, and you can combine multiple clips to reach that length. Record yourself speaking directly to the camera in a quiet, well-lit space. Very important, somewhere in your recording, clearly say, "I give InVideo AI permission to clone my avatar in this workspace." This explicit consent line is required, so make sure it's easy to hear. When you speak, keep a natural pace and include brief pauses between sentences. Those pauses make it easier for the system to learn your cadence and improve pronunciation later. Maintain eye contact with the lens so your avatar feels more lifelike. If possible, use high-quality equipment, a stable camera or phone on a tripod, a crisp external microphone, and soft, even lighting in front of you. Avoid heavy shadows, background noise, and busy backdrops. Framing yourself from the chest up works well, and 1080p resolution at standard frame rates is ideal. Once your clips are ready, upload them to AI Twins. If the audio is muffled or the lighting is poor, consider re-recording and re-uploading. Better input leads to better avatar quality. After the files finish uploading, let the system process your footage. Processing time varies, so don't close your browser until it's done. When the process completes, your avatar will be available within the workspace and ready to use in your projects. If you notice any mispronunciations later, you can always refine your scripts with clearer punctuation and pacing cues to help the avatar read more naturally. That's it. Log in, open AI Twins, choose Free or Pro, upload at least a minute of clear talking head video with the required consent line, and speak naturally with good equipment. You'll be set with a professional-looking avatar inside InVideo.